how to fix Spotify randomly pausing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify randomly pausing on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here we'll find Spotify. Click on it, and first just clear cache, and then go to this one, power usage details, and now click launch settings, and here we'll find this one, run in background, enable it, disable manage automatically, and enable it, and that's it. And then go to permissions and enable all of those here, and go to data usage and enable background data, and now just go back and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.